Welcome to Subtitle Off. This is a podcast where we talk about different topics and help you learn English in a fun and natural way. Today, we're talking about trucks. Let's hit the road.
Welcome back to Subtitle Off. Today we're diving into a part of trucking everyone knows well, the truck stop. Nick, you probably spend half your life there, huh?
Pretty much. Fuel stops are like the office for truckers. Gas, food, showers, laundry, coffee, everything in one place.
Sounds convenient. What's your usual routine when you stop?
First thing, fuel. I swipe my card, enter truck number, mileage, grab the diesel handle, and while it's pumping, I clean the windshield. Then I usually grab a coffee or some snacks inside.
Do you always talk to other drivers there?
Sometimes, yeah. Depends on the mood. Most of us are just tired or in a hurry, but every once in a while you meet someone cool. The classic line is, "Where you headed?"
Haha, sounds like a trucker version of, "What's your sign?"
Exactly. Or someone will say, "You hauling dry van or reefer." It's small talk, but it keeps you human when you've been alone for 10 hours straight.
What's the food like at those places?
Oh, it depends. Some truck stops have fast food, others have real diners. My favorite's when they have a trucker special. Eggs, bacon, hash browns, toast, and coffee for $10. But I try not to eat that every day. Gotta stay alive.
Fair enough. What about showers? That's something many people don't know. Truck stops even have.
Yeah, most big ones, like TA, Petro, or Love's, have private showers. You just go to the counter and say, "One shower, please." If you buy fuel, like 50 gallons or more, you usually get a free shower credit.
That's actually really nice. Clean towels and everything.
Yep. Clean, hot water, usually better than some hotels. They give you a towel, soap, and you get your own room for 30 to 40 minutes. Feels like heaven after a long day.
What about laundry? I heard some truckers do everything on the road.
Yeah, most truck stops have coin laundry, washers, and dryers. You throw your clothes in, grab food, come back in an hour, and you're good. Honestly, truckers are the kings of multitasking.
I can imagine. And what's parking like? I've heard finding a spot at night is tough.
Oh, yeah. After 7 or 8 p.m., it's chaos. You'll see trucks circling like sharks. Some stops have reserved parking. You pay like $15, but it's worth it when you're out of hours.
So, what are some useful English phrases for truck stops?
Let's see. "One shower, please," to ask at the counter. "Is this parking paid or free?" "Where's the laundry room?" "Fill it up with diesel, please." "Can I get a trucker special to go?"
Love it. So many real life phrases. And maybe, how long is the wait for a shower? Or is the coffee fresh?
Yep, classics. And don't forget, stay safe out there. That's how truckers say goodbye to each other.
That's wholesome. So, what's your favorite truck stop overall?
Probably Love's, clean showers, good coffee, and reward points. But Petro's Diner, unmatched.
Noted. Maybe we'll do a whole episode called Best Truck Stops in America.
I'm in, as long as we can record it over pancakes.
Deal. All right, folks, that's it for today's episode. Fuel stop and truck stop small talk.
Stay fueled, stay friendly, and keep it between the lines.
See you next time on Subtitle Off. Real English from the road.